Hello everyone, welcome to the Study Hacks Institute of GIS and Remote Sensing. Today's session, I will discuss a very important topic, mainly how we can easily identify the volcanic sand and volcanic stone and also volcanic rock using remote sensing technique in Google Earth Engine. So basically here you can see I already write the code. It look like that. So this is my study area and this is the volcanic eruption region. So for this volcanic eruption, what's happened the nearby, we try to identify the volcanic sand, volcanic stone and volcanic rock. So in this case, I want to use the unsupervised classification, mainly K-means clustering, and further I want to identify this type of volcanic sand, volcanic stone, and volcanic rock. So for this region, here I included some internal parameter such as first of all NDVI. Then I try to calculate the normalized difference sand index NDSI. Then normalized difference rock index. So combination of total three band. Then further I want to apply the K-means clustering, and then further I want to extract the information for volcanic sand as well as also extract the information for rock, and finally we also extract about the volcanic stones. So basically I will show you this process how we can easily create this type of things. So first of all, here you can see I just simply imported my area of interest, and then further I simply use here the Sentinel-2 surface reflectance satellite imagery, just filter and then create the median composite, and then further normally calculate the MDVI for a Sentinel-2 satellite imagery, near infrared band minus red band, and calculate the NDVI. And further, we also calculate about that normalized difference sand index, which is short wave infrared 1 band minus short wave minus near infrared band divided by short wave infrared plus near infrared band. So this is the thing we just calculate about that NDSI, mainly normalized difference sand index, and as well as we also discuss calculate about the normalized difference rock index, which is this is the formula about that rock index formula we simply put in here. And further we are just calculating the classification, this type of band, this is my internal band I want to use, and this type of external band which I created I also use in here, and then perform the K-means clustering. So further I just extract the 5000 pixel, and further I just applying the K-means clustering algorithm for unsupervised classification. And from here just simply identify about that sand, volcanic stone and rock, and finally we also calculate the area about that, how much area for that. We also calculate the volcanic sand area 191.60 square kilometer, or volcanic stone area 557.45 square kilometer, and rock area 186. And from this satellite imagery we can easily find out this type of map. Here you can see it display the this is the rock. Just simply open my single layer, and then it's also more better, you can easily get this idea. So here you can see this type of pink color identify about that rock. Okay, rock for this volcanic eruption we can get this type of rock. And further also you can see about that volcanic sand. So this type of red color identify about that volcanic sand, as well as also you can see about the volcanic stone. We can get this type of things is the volcanic stone. So it look very large because I think some problem with their pixel. So further we'll need to more accurate result I'll try to represent. But now we correctly classified the two things. One is the rock, another is the volcanic stone. So here you can see this pink color identify about that rock, and this type of yellow color identify about the volcanic sand. And you can see this is the center. It mainly says cities. We can easily get it. This is the cities or city boundary, we can easily get it. And then we can find out this type of things, and this is the volcanic eruption region. Okay, just we try to find out that unsupervised classification, and further classified the volcanic sand as well also called rock, we can easily identify about that. So this is the process to applying the unsupervised classification method, and then further applying that normalized difference variation index, sand index and rock index to identify volcanic sand and rock. Okay, this is the process. If you have any more information about that, you can simply contact in my WhatsApp or email. then you can easily get that. As well as if you want to join my upcoming online training program on complete online training program on Google Earth Engine, then you can easily join my upcoming batch. This class will be start from the 23rd August. So now this registration is open, and now only for the 2 states are available to get the 50% discount on this online training program. If you want to get this 50% discount on this online training program, as soon as possible, simply book your seat and join our Google Classroom and also WhatsApp group. So basically, this is the total 7 days online training program. You will use them only 4 hours. From this website, you can easily get all of information for this upcoming online training program. I already added all of course content for first day, second day, and up to 7 number day. How much topic completed, you can easily get all of information. As well as if you want to get some benefits, such as you can get the course certificate after submitting all of assignment. You can get all of materials, mainly slide, PDF. You can get all of practice code, as well as you can get the recorded class. If you miss any live training program, you can easily cover using this recorded class. As well as you also get the lifetime teaching support, where basically as a beginners, when you want to learn the Google Earth Engine platform, you face a lot of problem. So that's why we are also providing the lifetime teaching support. So if you face any problem, any issue, you can easily get the support and continuously you can learn. Okay. So if you want to interested in this online training program, simply contact in our WhatsApp number, as well as you can also contact with this email. I already added all of information in the video description. Simply check it and then mark me. Thank you for watching that. Stay happy, stay safe.